Karon, nanasa ta dinhi tutorial ihatag ninyo mga adas.
Yes.
And I'm sure malingaw jud mo ani, di ba ada no ni?
Yes, excited kay ko ada Elaine kay
Correct.
mga tong tutorial karon is more on about on how
Food
to
art.
prepare og food, especially sa mga mommies nga na problema og kanang pakaon bitaw sa ilang mga anak.
Mga chikiting,
Mga
especially,
mommies, this is it.
Para inyo ni siya.
Yes,
Kay
and-
kung pagainon pa ang inyong mga chikiting dili ganahan mo kaon, for sure once makakita sa alaani, click kay sanan kaon jud purot hastang plato.
Yes.
Joke. Okay. And by the way, we are here in
Charabento.
Charabento. And mga adas, murag
Yes.
mag-start na. Ali, tara na. Yes, mga ada, we would like to welcome you, of course, the owner of the Food Art, Tea House, and Coffee, Miss Rowena Ahero, and our tutor for the day.
Yes.
Hello, Miss Weng.
Hello, good morning. Yes, I'm Rowena Ahero. You can call me Weng, known as the mother of Owen and Renoa Ahero. But now the owner of Charabento Food Art, Coffee, and Tea House, and happened to be the result of this hobby, the bento making. Yeah.
So how do you come up with the name Charabento, ma'am?
Actually, the Charabento meaning is character bento. So the kara came from character, then the bento is the Japanese way of presenting their food.
Food art.
So
Food
it's
art.
yes, the little of everything in a box. That's the meaning of bento. Like in the bento, there should be protein, carbo, fruits, and veggies. So then
healthy.
yes, so that's how the bento way of making a lunchbox.
Wow.
Okay, so there you go mga adas. So without further ado, okay, we're excited nami.
Yes.
Sa tutorial ni Miss Weng.
Mga mommy, if you want to start making bento, you don't have to think about expensive tools. Online, you will find a lot of tools. Ngayon, ang pinaka need nyo lang is a scissor. Knife, scissor, and a little of cutters, molders. Yes, you can to help you easily mold the character you want. But after a while, you'll explore. So you will be not, hindi na nyo na magagamit yung mga molders nyo kasi like hindi naman lahat ng characters ay may molder. Plus, pilitan naman kayong bumili ng bago. So, mas easy, mas gamit na gamit ang ziplock. And ito, cling wrap. At ang lunchbox, ito lang. No need ng expensive materials to get started. So, ayun. Ang rice, hindi kailangan Japanese rice.
Any rice.
Any rice will do. As long as
luto na rice.
Then, make it more moist. Ayun. And for today, para sa mga adas, we will make the
Bunny.
Yan. We should restrict touching the food that much kay diba nga, the kids will eat it like in lunchtime pa, so mapapanish yung food. Then you plan ahead how will you put it in your lunchbox. Nga, since ang bento is a little of everything, so rice, you have to be mag-compartmentalize ang lunchbox. So dito yung ulam, dito yung so ngayon, if ito, tulad nito, pwede nyo bawasan ng konti para sa head. Let's make like a triangle first. So go to the corner of the ziplock. Look at the triangle. Then pinch. Make sure that hindi siya mag-break. Kailangan maku-close yung lunchbox pag gawa na siya. When you try, it's okay. So, maku-close siya, then,
Good na.
yes. And, so we have the triangle-like or spade-like head of bunny. Done. Pinch on the top. Then, the hair will be here. Ang ears ni bunny is just dun ulit sa corner ng ng ziplock. Yun nga, sa ibang nga, medyo nahihirapan niya for pag-cling wrap. Kasi ito, easy nga talaga siya. So, one way. Ito gamitin ko ngayon. Then just, then, so, ayan. Isa pang importante sa bento making is the nori sheets. Hold it. Then, depends on your head and ears. So, you fold daan para uniform ang iya. Uniform na siya daan. Pag after. Press the ears. And just put
Tatamog sa'yo. So, I think it will take napaka. Like sa akong case, will take panigbakuras.
mas easy gamitin ang get it from here.
Bakmas.
Hold lang. Then, more of triangle si Bugs Bunny. Laging fold para uniform.
Pagalitan ni Chef Gordon.
Tapos yun, ng whiskers, yun na yan, gumagawa na, whiskers, para kadalasan, straight, pantay ang dalawa, in the middle. So, straight ang sa middle. Then, ang galing mo na yan sa baby mo. Wow! Yun na yun. Slice. Then you'll have a heart na. Kung baby pag yun ang kakain, pwedeng pasta. Pasta yung ilagay. Kasi ang pasta pag na-soften na, pwede na siyang kainin. So, may heart na pa. Fold. Ang iba, komportable ng ganyan. Cut halfway lang. Hindi dire-diretso doon. Halfway lang. Or you can use scissors. Then, facing dun sa kinat. You'll get the sunflower na. So, you have the flour. Tapos yung heart nyo, ano lang, islant lang. Asa mo na siya, ibutang. Diyan na lang.
After 48 years, natapos rin ako.
Makatapat na yung
Yes, this is bunny-inspired food art. And I guess, murag, nabags bunny raman po siya. Bisag murag si Jerry ako tanaw. Ito. So, mommies, nice jud kayo siya nga concept nga kanang ato bitaw ibuhatan og creativity ang i-lunch or breakfast ang ibaon para sa atong mga anak. And especially, pwede sad ninyo bonding moments. Inyong anak mismo, inyong siyang i-encourage na mag-design sa iyang kagalingon nga food, o diba? So, thank you so much, Charabento.
Mga adas, 48 years kang ada no ni ako, I don't know pila na ni kay years. Murag wala di na ma-count ang years, but very fulfilling kayo siya. And then na-amaze ko kaysa kawala na ko'y art. I don't know, magkawas man nga art kasi si Bugs Bunny nahimong piglet. For me si piglet, but nag-enjoy ko much mga adas, and of course mga mamas namong mga adas. Kani para inyo hani, especially katunay mga chikiting nga lisod pa kanon. For sure if inyo silang buhatan og ingon na ani, instead nga dili mo kaon, mahurot gid ni siya. And to Russell, special mention kang Russell, do this para sa imong mga kiddos. Thank you.
Hello mga mommies, here we made the Bugs Bunny with the Adas. The bento making will be back of Charabento, Cebu starting this August, every last Sunday of the month. So we will hold it in Charabento Cafe, located at 2nd floor, Talamban Times Square, Governor Encuentro Avenue, just in front of Talamban Barangay Hall. So we expect to see you here and have a fun bento making with me like Adas.
Yes, surely you will enjoy. And of
Yes,
course,
Adas.
the teacher will be of course Miss Weng.
Yes. Thank you so much, Miss Wang.
Thank you so
we
much,
really
Billy.
had very...
We forgot the time already.
Yes. We really had fun.
Yes.
And
All right. So
See you.
again, Charabento located 2nd floor, Times Square, Talamban, and do watch out for their sessions starting. Every last Sundays of the month, starting August. And I don't know ni.
yes, so magkita-kita ta sunod sa among sunod na sad nga adtuan o bisitahon, just comment down below and like our videos and share aron aduna pod mo chance nga makadaog sa atong
promo, which
Yes.
is the $100 or the
Yes,
5
let's go, Adas.
promotion.
Yes.
Anyway, once again, Ms. Wang, thank you so much
Yes,
for
you're
this
welcome.
opportunity. And mga Adas, unsa pa inyong gipaabot, here it is. Charabento, second floor of Times Square. You will enjoy it good. And the food, perfect. Okay? So mga Adas, bye-bye!
Didn't even get to cross.